Hello guys, I hope you are all doing well. Welcome to our channel Healthy and Ageless that gives real information about health treatments. Today I will talk about liver disease's symptoms and best natural way to cleanse and detox. Let's get started. Symptoms. Liver disease doesn't always cause noticeable signs and symptoms. If signs and symptoms of liver disease do occur, they may include skin and eyes that appear yellowish, jaundice, abdominal pain and swelling, swelling in the legs and ankles, itchy skin, dark urine color, pale stool color, chronic fatigue, nausea or vomiting, loss of appetite, tendency to bruise easily. Now we will discuss 7 best natural way to cleanse and detox. Number 1. Limit your alcohol consumption. Your liver processes every alcoholic beverage you consume, including wine, beer, and spirits. The more you drink, the harder your liver has to work. Over time, excessive drinking can take a toll, destroying liver cells. Alcohol-related liver disease, ARLD, includes several liver-different conditions, such as alcoholic fatty liver disease, acute alcoholic hepatitis, alcoholic cirrhosis. To avoid alcohol-related liver disease, follow the recommendations for alcohol outlined in the 2015 to 2020 Dietary Guidelines for Americans' trusted source. That's 1 drink per day for women and 2 drinks per day for men. In addition, avoid mixing alcohol and medication, which puts excess strain on your liver. Number top of form. Bottom of form. Number 2, monitor your use of medications. All medications, whether they're over the counter or prescribed by a doctor, eventually pass through your liver where they're broken down. Most medications are safe for your liver when taken as directed. However, taking too much of a drug, taking it too often, taking the wrong type, or taking several drugs at once can harm your liver. Acetaminophen, Tylenol, is an example of a common over-the-counter medication that can have serious consequences for your liver when taken incorrectly. You should never take more than 1,000 mg (mg) of acetaminophen at a time, or exceed the maximum dose of 3,000 mg per day. Don't mix acetaminophen and alcohol. If you're concerned about how a medication may affect your liver, talk to your doctor or pharmacist. You can also ask to have your liver tested before and after starting a new medication. Number 3. Don't assume supplements are good for your liver. Like medications, supplements such as vitamins, minerals, herbs, and natural remedies are processed by your liver. Just because a product is natural doesn't mean it won't have long-term consequences for your liver. In fact, many seemingly harmless products are capable of doing damage. A 2017 article published in the journal Gastroenterology and AMP, Hepatology trusted source, identifies performance-enhancing and weight loss supplements as potentially harmful to the liver. Green tea extract is another common herbal supplement that may affect your liver. Even vitamins, in particular vitamin A and niacin, can cause liver damage if you take too much of them. To avoid liver complications, talk to your doctor before taking supplements. Number 4. Adopt a liver-friendly diet. This shouldn't come as a surprise, but your diet plays a significant role in the overall health of your liver. To ensure your diet is benefiting your liver in the long term, try the following. Eat a variety of foods. Choose whole grains, fruits and vegetables, lean protein, dairy, and healthy fats. Foods such as grapefruit, blueberries, nuts, and fatty fish are known to have potential benefits for the liver. Get enough fiber. Fiber is essential to helping your liver function smoothly. Fruits and vegetables and whole grains are great sources of fiber to incorporate into your diet. Stay hydrated. Make sure you drink enough water each day to keep your liver in tip-top shape. Limit fatty, sugary, and salty foods. Foods that are high in fat, sugar, and salt can affect liver function over time. Fried and fast foods can also affect the health of your liver. Drink coffee. Coffee has been shown trusted source to lower the risk of liver diseases such as cirrhosis and liver cancer. It works by preventing the accumulation of fat and collagen, 2 factors in liver disease. Number 5. Exercise regularly. Physical activity isn't just good for your musculoskeletal and cardiovascular systems. It's also good for your liver. Research from 2018 trusted source examined the role of exercise in non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, now one of the most common liver diseases. The researchers concluded that both cardio and resistance exercises help to prevent fat buildup in the liver. Fat buildup is associated with NAFLD. You don't need to run marathons to reap the benefits. You can start exercising today by taking a brisk walk, doing an online workout class, or going on a bike ride. Number 6. Take precautions against hepatitis. Hepatitis is a disease that causes liver inflammation. Some types of hepatitis only cause acute, short-term symptoms, hepatitis A, while others are long-term illnesses, hepatitis B and C. You can protect yourself against hepatitis by first understanding how the most common forms spread. Hepatitis A is transmitted by consuming food or water contaminated with the feces of someone who has hepatitis A. Hepatitis B is transmitted through contact with bodily fluids from someone who has hepatitis B. Bodily fluids include blood, vaginal discharge, and semen. Hepatitis C is transmitted through contact with bodily fluids from someone who has hepatitis C. To protect yourself against hepatitis, you can practice good hygiene. Wash your hands regularly and use hand sanitizer. Take extra precautions when traveling. Learn more about hepatitis risks in the region you're visiting. Avoid local tap water or ice and unwashed fruit or vegetables. Don't share personal items. Keep your toothbrush and razor to yourself. If you use intravenous, drugs, don't share needles. Make sure needles are sterilized. Before getting a tattoo or piercing, make sure the studio uses disposable needles or an autoclave machine to sterilize needles. Practice safer sex. If you have sex with more than one partner, use a condom to lower your risk of hepatitis B and C. Get vaccinated. Vaccination can help you avoid contracting hepatitis A and B. There's currently no vaccine for hepatitis C. Number 7. Limit your contact with environmental toxins. Not only does your liver process chemicals that enter your body through your mouth, but it also processes chemicals that enter through your nose and skin. Some everyday household products contain toxins that can damage your liver, especially if you come into contact with them regularly. To prevent long-term damage to your liver, opt for organic cleaning products and techniques to clean your home. Avoid using pesticides and herbicides in your yard, or take precautions to avoid inhaling chemical fumes. If you must use chemicals or aerosols inside the house to paint, for instance, make sure your space is well ventilated. If that's not possible, wear a mask. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe, like, and share this channel. See you later. Thanks for watching.